What's going on? Are these your belongings right here? Like beer, vodka, what did you have? Did you find out for me?
It's not a weapon, you don't gotta shoot it.
Don't put yourself in a bad situation like that.
I'm not gonna do it. You're good.
What legal authority must exist before an officer can stop someone in an airport, ask them questions, and make a warrantless arrest? Most people assume the answer is simple. It is not. It is a sequence of legal thresholds, each requiring different evidence, each governed by a different body of law.
But yeah, there is a ticket.
Sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we're just watching to see what he's doing. He has no clue. So we're just watching him to see what he's doing. Yeah. Nope. Let's go talk to him.
Is he still drunk?
Might be.
Yeah.
Might be. So we were just watching him to see what.
Is he gonna order another drink?
Let's go talk to him. Let's go. Get him out here.
Let's talk to you out here for a minute. Or we'll walk out here. Just over here by this chair is fine. Just out of the way. Alright, so what's going on? Are these your belongings right here? Okay. And we just want to make sure you're okay because you've left your things unattended for a little while now. Do you realize that?
Is that?
Okay. Is there a reason why? A little while now. Do you realize that?
Is that?
Okay. Is there a reason why?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Would you mind telling me?
I don't think it's to be public knowledge. I think if it was, you would understand, but I don't think so.
What's not public knowledge? You left that in the public. You left that for anybody to get. If there's something in there that shouldn't be public knowledge, you did that.
I understand what you're saying, but I don't think
You can talk to us. It's fine. Just say what you need to say. It's okay.
it's not for anyone else.
Okay.
Okay. Have you had any alcohol to drink today?
Obviously, yes.
Okay. What alcohol did you drink?
The alcohol I had when I was in here.
Like beer, vodka, what did you have?
I had whiskey when I was in here.
You had whiskey? Okay. What size? What, do you remember what it was?
They said it was Jim Beam when I was in here.
Okay.
Jim Beam,
And how many?
like maybe 7.
7 of them? Okay.
Would you think you're intoxicated right now?
At this time,
No.
No?
You were just
Not-
walking around
not-
for no reason?
I wasn't walking around for no reason. I came intentionally to look at my bag because I realized that I didn't have it.
You walked right past your bag 2 times. This way and then this way.
Because I didn't know where. Because I've only been here like twice.
Okay.
Like, I fully realize that makes sense to other people. I don't mean it like that in a disrespectful way, but like,
Let's start.
Okay, do you have identification?
yes, I
Okay.
It's probably in the back.
You would leave your wallet with your bag?
It's probably in the back.
Okay.
If Okay.
What? What were you gonna say? You have nothing to say?
It still seems like I'm intoxicated right now. Talking to you, right?
It
Yeah.
does.
All right.
Yeah. Are you by yourself? Are you flying alone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You know where you're at right now?
Yes, I know where I'm at.
Where?
I'm in Dallas.
Okay.
I'm at the airport. I'm
Okay.
in front of Windows. Fucking trying hard for Texas pizza. Yeah.
Do you know what day it is?
It's pretty content. It'll be Monday.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
I can tell you how tall you are.
Do you think you have enough?
I can tell you how tall
To be honest, I'm actually not sure on this one.
Okay. I'll say yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because is it seven drinks? Clearly have no idea his bag. He didn't even look at it. Seems confused. Even though he says to know where it's at, he seems confused. His eyes are bloodshot. Still, pupils are extremely dilated. He smelled alcohol. Smelled a little bit.
Yeah, a little,
I
but
know where I'm at, and I know how many minutes I have for my flight.
Okay. How many minutes? Without looking at your phone.
13.
Wrong. That's not 13 minutes. So you're not. It's not 13 minutes.
I'm
So you're fine.
I'm off by like 1 year.
Okay. All right.
okay.
Go put your phone down.
Put your phone down for me.
It's not a weapon. You don't gotta shoot me.
We're not going to do that. You can step this way.
Hands behind your back.
Okay.
You're under arrest.
I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. Alright.
Walk forward. Walk forward.
Okay.
Don't put yourself in a bad situation like that.
I'm not even doing it. You're good. You're good.
This is not.
All right. We need a transport unit.
Roller's coming.
Oh, she is. Okay,
Yeah,
I didn't know she was coming.
She just texted me. She said, I said entry 35.
Is there any other tests you want to give me that I can pass, or?
No, we don't need to do that.
Yep. She's pre-concluded, or
What's up?
she's pre-concluded, or?
Yeah, it's already been determined.
Yep. I'm making sense, right? I'm making sense.
Making sense about what?
Like the things I'm saying, we're communicating.
I mean, you're asking me questions, and I'm telling you, you're already under arrest. You're already handcuffed, so
Alright.
everything's already done.
All right.
You're good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hold on a second. Hold on a second. I'm gonna have you running.
Okay.
I got him. He ain't going nowhere.
Step back when I have you sit down, right?
Sit down. Sit down.
Edward 4 on 2, run 1, Texas ID card.
We're gonna search the bag in here. 'Cause it's windy out there. Makes it easier because he's got papers.
It's good thinking.
She can wait in the car. She's not gonna be in it.
Come
Or
in,
come in,
whatever
wait,
she
whatever.
wants.
Yeah.
Copy that.
Alright. You can just bring it back right around over here.
Okay.
And it'll be right there. Yeah, you can go on that one.
Okay.
So you already did this side, so you don't have to worry about this side.
Okay. Just papers.
You keep.
There's a mirror in the
What?
There's a mirror in the
There's a mirror in the pocket.
There's a mirror in the back.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, just arm still.
Yeah. No, just lots of papers.
Yep, just lots of papers. Okay, so that's what we're kind of looking for. Anything that's odd in that area, like you see papers there. Do you see anything odd that sticks in there, like a little Ziploc baggie or like a?
Or any paraphernalia.
Yeah. Yep. Yep. So sometimes that's what people put it in places that you wouldn't think. It's open earlier.
Okay. Alrighty, stand up for me.
Your last name is Party 4. Last name is Steven. Last name is
I have to check, make sure.
I'm sorry.
Okay, he's good.
You go back here.
Alright, go ahead and step up for me. Watch your step, watch your head. Okay, I'm gonna reach over you, grab the seatbelt. Good. Okay.
All right. Thank you. You're welcome. Here you go.
All right.
We'll be back.
Miss any single threshold and the entire chain breaks. Evidence gets suppressed. The arrest gets challenged in court. Understanding this sequence is not just academic. It is the difference between a lawful arrest and a constitutional violation. Terry v. Ohio 1000. 968 established that a lawful investigative stop requires only reasonable articulable suspicion, not probable cause. Unattended baggage inside a federally regulated security zone, combined with visible signs of disorientation, satisfies that threshold at the moment of first contact. Texas Penal Code Section 49(2) defines public intoxication through three elements that must each be independently established: presence in a public place, intoxication as defined by statute, and a level of impairment that poses a danger to the person or to others. Texas Penal Code Section 49(1) defines intoxicated as not having the normal use of mental or physical faculties by reason of alcohol or another substance. Impairment of either mental or physical faculties is sufficient. Both do not need to be present simultaneously. A subject who cannot identify the correct month within 5 months, cannot locate his own belongings after multiple passes, produces an incoherent statement about ordinary objects, satisfies the mental faculties prong of Section 49(1) on the observable record alone. No chemical test is required to establish probable cause for arrest. Texas Code of Criminal Procedure, Article 14. 1 subsection B authorizes arrest without a warrant for any offense committed in the officer's presence, because all elements of Section 49(2) were established directly before the officers during the contact itself. No judicial pre-authorization was required. Florida v. Royer 1000. 980 vitamin and 83 confirmed that an investigative detention may lawfully escalate into a formal arrest when facts gathered during the stop establish probable cause. The legal threshold shifts from reasonable suspicion to probable cause. Here, the subject's own admissions and observed condition crossed that threshold during the conversation itself. Miranda v. Arizona 1000. 966 requires advisement of rights before custodial interrogation, not before an investigative stop, post-arrest. Any questioning conducted without Miranda advisement renders resulting statements inadmissible under the exclusionary rule established in Mapp v. Ohio 1000. 961. United States v. Robinson 1000. 973 established that a lawful custodial arrest authorizes a full search of the person and immediately associated property without a separate warrant or additional justification. The search conducted here falls squarely within this doctrine. Graham v. Connor 1000. 989 holds that force must be evaluated from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of decision, not with the benefit of hindsight. Handcuffing represents the minimum control level consistent with lawful arrest. No elevated force analysis is triggered in this encounter. Key lesson. Texas Health and Safety Code Section 462. 41 grants officers independent authority to place an impaired person into civil protective custody without initiating a criminal arrest, when immediate danger to that person exists. 2 legal pathways were available simultaneously. To Chalterman, the choice between them carries materially different consequences for the subject's criminal record, but several questions remain entirely open. Does the verbal admission survive a Miranda suppression hearing? Was criminal arrest the legally optimal tool? Or was the civil protective custody pathway the more appropriate response? The statutes permit the arrest. They do not require it. That distinction between what the law allows and what the law demands is where the real analysis begins. And the answer changes depending on what happens next in court. What would a judge decide? That question does not have a simple answer.